I request all of you to please be with us on stage as we proceed to the next segment of the event. Okay. So, as we continue the joyous celebration, it's time for a special moment, the cake cutting ceremony. I request all the head of the departments and all the esteemed dignitaries, please join us on. I would request the head of the departments of all the candidate departments to please come up on stage. I would like to request Registrar Sir, Vice Principal Sir to please come up on stage. The head of the departments of all the candidate departments, please come up on stage. I would also like to welcome respected Dharmadas Sir, the Dean. Please come up on stage. All HODs, please come up on stage. It is an extreme proud moment for us that these departments have achieved their NBA accreditation. We are extremely proud for the hard work that the faculty members, that the management, that the students have put. Do we have the HOD of ECE department with us? The head of the department and the faculties of Basic Science and Humanities, please come up on stage. Jonah ma'am, Dola Roy Chaudhary ma'am, please come up on stage.
জীবন পূর্ণ করো, এই জীবন পূর্ণ করো, এই জীবন পূর্ণ করো, দহন দানে আগুনের পরশমণি ছোঁয়া প্রাণে, এই জীবন পূর্ণ করো, এই জীবন পূর্ণ করো, এই জীবন পূর্ণ করো, এই জীবন পূর্ণ করো, দহন দানে আগুনের পরশমণি ছোঁয়া প্রাণে। নিশি